Sit on your chair. Go get your chair. Come on. Come here. Come on. Yeah. No. Alright, bread. What's Nana got? Bread. Ooh, Nana's got something to eat. You want some? Nana, stand up. You gotta walk over there. You gotta walk over there. I mean, you didn't have. Isn't it crazy how you can actually function? Like, if I tried to walk like that, I would break my butt. Yay! We got bread. We got bread. Robert. Woo! I wasn't like face plant. Well, if he did. Robert. Do you have the magical bread? No. You don't have the magical bread. Come on, stand up. Stand up. There you go. You gonna sit on your chair? Oh, you're gonna hug your chair. Oh, that's a nice chair. Woo! Stand up. Magical bread. Pass on. Woo! You get the legs going before the rest of you is ready. Ready? Oh, good stuff. It's kind of like with a puppy. You have to get him with treats. We're passing the magical bread. Good job. What's the magical bread? Make sure you don't have any in his mouth. Where you going? Hey! Looky, Mommy's got your chair. I got your chair. Stand up. Come here. Oh wait, you still got plenty of bread in your mouth. I didn't give him any. I know, I'm just saying, you still got plenty. Oh yeah. Now where you go? Oh, he's gonna go back. Oh, he fell down. Go get Daddy. Hey, where's Daddy?